stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with a brand in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to another interesting movie. Try Chimo. Movie don't enter my head though. Drop baby dead and I am washing clothes as well. I want to go and make dinner. I practically wash clothes every time. I can even hear washing machine. I did not close door though. But let's just go, and at the same time I'm editing video. That video, unboxing video that I did, I suppose edit but time. No time to do that, but anyway, let's just. Oh guys, there, okay? Yeah. So yeah, let's go and make dinner. See you guys later. Okay. So this is the meat I want to use. I want to use this meat. And I'm going to wash the plates.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nice. Let's just stay here, no one can do. Then go feel it hot, then go feel it.
You finally feel like giving up, oh yeah. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck, I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck, can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough, gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me, I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning, I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me, I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff, I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's inside for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Hey, I bet see, let's go outside do. I did do video. Video where I say I don't want to talk now. Now don't let me talk. I bet see, leave me. I'll show you now. If not, I don't want to show you. I for show you what did they do here. Okay, We are almost done. So baby is sleeping, and Akme and Aziz just had their bath with the help of my husband. Okay, my husband is at home, so you have to bathe. You have to bathe the kids. Okay, yeah. I'm still cooking. It's currently after 6 right now. Update. What is going on?
I want to see lock it. No.
Lock it. He said make you lock him.
I want to see how many years. 104 like me.
Okay, so let's go and continue the food. He's sleeping right now. Sure, now they see as this. See, and I hear this boy for the sleep. Oh, I think that they see her. They don't want to leave. You don't want to leave this swing for his small brother. See, see her every time. So, and I hear now even fast pass self. In fact, if I want to make Aziz quick sleep in the evening, I'll also put them for there on the music. I think I see her. He don't sleep. Now Saturday don't have more. Now I don't sleep. So I just finished bathing my baby. I'm breastfeeding him right now. Yeah. I'm not carry now. I knocked this vlog again. Oh, my space was just crying. I had to delete a few things before I could even record this one now. So yeah, I finished cooking, and at the end of the day, look at this dude now. He's sleeping. I am breastfeeding baby, and I head over to Whitey as well to do 1 or 2 things there. And I know now. So yeah, that's practically today's video, honestly.
Yeah. Mommy, I have already finished my macaroni.
Look at that. Hi lovelies, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, your mama tree living here in Russia, welcome back to the channel guys. Have you subscribed? Welcome back to my simple life here. See guys, like it's only winter you get to cry when no one is beating you, honestly. Anyway, I'm here to take the kids out. As you can see right now, they are having fun there. Baby is sleeping. I'm not gonna stay long though, maybe 30 to 1 hour we are through, because I have a lot to do at home. Okay, as usual now. All right, see you guys. I don't want to look here. See you guys later. Okay.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times, it feels like nobody's right. Yeah, so I'ma figure out how to succeed, and then invest all that time into that proceed.
Is that how I say it? Movie don't enter my head though. These children. Your what?
My handgrove is dirty. You can't wash it. My
okay.
is dirty.
No problem. We'll wash it at home.
Because I slide wee.
Okay.
Plans are contagious. I attack that shit. I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it.
Come so Mommy, don't mind this. Let me keep it there.
What is this doing?
Don't mind because I want to eat. I want to eat. I think candy inside too much.
Ah, thank God, I'm here on a day here, do.
Don't worry,
Keep
don't worry.
keep that one. Yes, keep it. Keep it there. Keep it where. When I keep it back. Put it there. Aziz, leave there. Thank
Mommy,
you.
let's carry it. I think it's choose. I wanna keep it there. It's you, the man. You want another one?
You want another one? Okay. Okay. Oh wow, wow. That's great. Say you have money. Do you have money?
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Buy.
Yeah, okay. You have money to buy it.
Hello. I like it.
Oh, okay. You like it.
Yeah.
So you have money to buy them.
You and your brother will eat it. I have one robo.
Okay, you have one robo.
Yes. I want to eat, mommy.
Keep it back. Go and keep it back. Thank you.
Cardi.
One robo cannot buy it.
Mommy, that one is starting.
Oh yeah, now.
Mama, I don't want to wait.
You don't want to wait. You will wait. Keep it back.
You don't want to wait.
You will wait. Okay.
Let
Okay,
me
come and carry this
Mommy,
chocolate.
see five robo in my hand.
Yeah, go for road.
We don't eat it. Mommy, I want. Eta is too small.
Carry it. Kakwe is too small. Carry it.
Big one is
Which one you say is too small? Keep it
Keep
back, keep
That
it
was
back.
my yo.
Carry this one. Yes, carry that one. Carry that one. Yeah, move.
This one is party robo.
Yeah. Did you finish? Finish, yeah? Good job, good job.
I have my money. That robo I have.
But that one is too small, now you cannot buy anything. Oh yeah, go and keep the basket there. Move your hand close inside.
We could be having
Keep it back. Hey, okay, I don't put anything there. So let's go home. Okay, we are through here in the supermarket. Let's go. Yeah, baby is awake. Baby is awake right now. We are through. See, yeah. So we are through. Is awake. So let's go. We'll catch you guys in our anyhow though. Okay.